So we're going to go up here. We were going to go to the other main entrance, but this is fine. Look at all these olive trees.
That worked.
So we bought those skip the line tickets just last night on the ship, and then they just have you scan the QR code right there and you're in.
Yep.
Right. You'll see the gate. Maybe they will ask, maybe they will close down. We have to go the other gate. So you go straight, I go the other gate, I go to the first gate there, and you go from there. Okay?
It was fairly scenic, but I think it was fairly
It was okay. Take your time.
On the floor here that we see straight ahead, there is nothing abnormal.
Take our rest. Beautiful. Nice.
Before.
Wow.
Oh, that's
They found
nice.
new materials, new powers of materials.
They could
Yes.
just go ahead and...
They can't, there is like a rug under
Oh, okay.
Oh.
and they can take it out and do better material. So
Oh.
something new, I do not know, something better.
Different
maybe.
cups? Well,
Yes, yes.
it is so beautiful here. This is our very favorite place in the whole world.
Oh, yes.
So thank you very
Yes,
much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your vacation.
Thanks for
your
taking good
tour.
care.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
It's very nice to meet
It's
you.
a good hour now.
Yes.
Not so people. We have even more people than
Yeah.
this.
Oh, do you?
And the sun is not so
Hot yet.
Nice and cool.
Wow.
Yes. Enjoy your tour.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. She is so nice. Just look at that. Okay, I was just speaking to that nice lady over there in a nice navy blue outfit. She matches me. Yeah, and this is what it used to be like the whole way going up. So I asked her, and indeed, this walkway is 2 years old. So they did it during COVID. She says that they put a rug under it though, so that if the archaeologists want to bring it up anytime. Well, it's like a rug under it, yeah. So anyway, this is what it used to be, and it was indeed much slipperier.
Yes.
So I just wanted to show you that.
As well as the elevator.
Oh, and they do have an elevator
All
now.
and the lights all from the Onassis Foundation.
Yeah, the Onassis Foundation, you know. Aristotle Onassis, the shipping magnate. Married Jackie O for a while there. Well, stayed married. Well, no, they got divorced, but they were married for quite a while. And then those Caryatids right there, the ladies, those little statues I'm trying to point here, those originals are over in the new Acropolis Museum. So, just wanted to show you all this. is the marble, and it used to just have this exposed everywhere to walk along, and it does get really slippery. So I see why they did what they did. Now when you exit, you go down the steps through the Propylaea, but you don't go down those other steps. Adrian's? Where? Oh, there's Mars Hill right. That hill right there. That hill right there. There's Mars Hill. See? You okay? So down there is the Agora, and this right here is Temple of Hephaestus. So it's a really nice area to walk around if you haven't been there. I'm not sure if we're doing that today because we've done it a few times before. Just stick with it.
And then head off to the
And so Gordon said that from the Acropolis he could see the Regal Princess, but we've tried to find it and I don't see it right off.
somewhere over towards that tall black building that you can see.
See the tall black building right there? Yeah.
So it's somewhere beyond
It's somewhere over in there, maybe even on the other side of it.
Yeah. When we were at the Acropolis Museum, we wanted to check our traffic getting back here, and it said that it was an 18-minute drive.
And that was at about,
So,
what, 3:30?
Yeah.
About 3:30
So that
we
gives
left.
you an indication about how far it should be. I think our taxi driver did it at 12.
Oh, he did. He just floored it, and we weren't even close to being late.
Yeah.
Here's the fun end of the video today. You all take good care. Love you. Bye.